on to solving inequalities. Number 11 says to solve x plus 7 is greater than negative 3. So what we want to do first is to get rid of the plus 7, we will do minus 7 to both sides. So those are gone. I will have x, keep your greater than sign, negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10. So we pretty much have solved. Now we just need to put it on the number line. Start at negative 10 in the middle. Let's ground it on both sides. We'll have negative 11 to the left and negative 9 to the right. We're going to have an open circle at negative 10, greater than, points to the right. Number 12, negative 4x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 10. So here to solve, we're going to add 6 to both sides first. So we'll get negative 4x, 6's cancel out. I'll still have my greater than or equal to sign. 10 plus 6 is 16. And then to get rid of the negative 4, since it's multiplication, we will divide both sides by negative 4. And then those will be gone. I'll get x. 16 divided by negative 4 is negative 4, and then since we divided by a negative number, we have to switch the sign of the inequality, so it will be less than instead. So that will be my answer. We'll put negative 4 on my number line, negative 5 to the left, negative 3 to the right. We're going to have a closed circle this time because there is a line underneath, meaning that the expression can equal negative 4, and then less than is an arrow to the left. Number 13, we have 12 is less than or equal to 2 times the quantity x plus 3. The first thing that I like to do on this one is to rewrite it. So we're going to put 2 quantity x plus 3 on the left side and 12 on the right side, but we also have to switch the way the inequality is going. All right, now we can distribute the 2. So 2 times x is 2x. Carry down your plus sign. 2 times 3 is 6. We still have greater than or equal to 12. Now to get rid of plus 6, we'll do minus 6 to both sides. So we'll get 2x is greater than or equal to 6. And then we'll divide both sides by 2. We'll get x greater than or equal to 3. And we didn't have to switch the way that the inequality was going because we did not divide by negative. So now I'm going to go to 3. We'll have 4, 2. I will have a closed circle at 3 because there is a line underneath the inequality showing that it can be equal, and greater than points to the right. Okay, number 14, we have 5x plus 8 is less than negative 2x minus 6. We're going to start this one by adding 2x to both sides to get the x's on the same side. 5x plus 2x is 7x plus 8 less than, those are gone, still negative 6. Make sure you bring down that minus sign. The next thing we'll do is subtract 8 from both sides to get rid of the plus 8. So now those are gone. I'll get 7x is less than negative 14. And then to finish it, we'll divide both sides by 7. So we will get x is less than negative 2. We don't have to switch the sign. Even though we got a negative answer, we didn't divide by a negative number. So that's all we need to do. We'll have negative 2 in the middle, negative 1 on the right, negative 3 on the left. Open circle because there's no equal sign underneath, and less than is to the left. All right, 15. A blank thumb drive can hold 700 minutes of music. So far, you have burned 250 minutes of music onto the drive. You estimate that each song lasts 4 minutes. What are the possible numbers of additional songs that you can burn onto the CD? The program being used will not allow partial songs to be added, so we can only have full songs here. One thing that we want to keep in mind on this one is if you would like to do this without writing an equation, that is totally fine, but we do need to make sure, I'm going to do it by using an inequality because I think it's easiest. Okay, so we want to know additional songs, so I'm going to, I'll use n for number of songs here. And then we know so far we've burned 250, so far we do have 250. Plus, it's going to be 4 minutes for each additional song, so it's going to be 4n. And I know that I can't go over 700, so my answer is going to have to be less than or equal to 700. And now I can solve this inequality. I'll subtract 250 from both sides, so we'll get 4n is less than or equal to 700 minus 250 is 450. And then I will divide both sides by 4, so I'll get 450 divided by 4, and that, multiply 450 divided by 4 gives me 112.5. But keep in mind the program used will not allow partial songs, so we need it to be less than 112. So we can burn anywhere from 0 up to 112 songs onto that.